Hello traders, welcome to the day trading signals. Today we are going to show you one of the high profitable trading strategy, that is confluence trading strategy. Before we start, be sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Also press the bell icon to get notification of our videos. So let's understand what is confluence trading. Confluence is the combination of multiple strategies and ideas into one complete strategy. So here we are using price action including RSI, super trend and EMA indicator to get high quality trade setup. Now we will see how RSI, EMA 50 and super trend used generally. Generally, traders use RSI in the overbought zone to enter a sell trade and in oversold zone to enter a buy trade. But we use different technique. Most traders use EMA 50 once price has closed above the EMA 50, they take buy trade. And once price close below EMA 50, they take sell trade. Some traders use EMA crossover to take buy and sell trade. Most of the traders also use EMA 50 as a dynamic support and resistance. In this strategy, we also using same thing but in different manner. Generally in super trade, a buy signal is generated when the super trade closes below the price and the color changes to green. On the other hand, a sell signal is made when the super trend closes above the price and the color of super trend turns red. But we use super trend indicator in different way. Now we will see rules for this strategy. For buying setup, number one rule is higher low should be there before breakout. Second, breakout candle should be close above the 50 MA. Third, RSI above 50 is must. And fourth, for stop loss we have to use super trend indicator. For selling setup, number one rule is lower high should be there before breakdown. Second, breakout candle should be closed below the 50 MA. Third, RSI below 50 is must. And fourth one, for stop loss we have to use super trend indicator. So now we will see detailed strategy and examples. Here we are using TradingView platform. First you have to select RSI indicator from indicator section with default setting. Then you have to select the EMA indicator. Then go to the setting and change its length to 50. After that, you have to select super trend indicator. Then go to the settings and change its ATR period to 21 and select source as a close. Let's see some examples. On 21st December in Bank Nifty, we got a sell signal as per our strategy. As per our selling rule, first we have to find trend line breakdown with the formation of high and lower high. This is the trend line, this is the formation of high and lower high, and this one is a breakdown. Now we will check for second rule. Breakdown candle should be closed below the 50 MA. This is the breakdown candle and it is closed below the 50 MA. Now we will go for third rule. RSI should be below 50. So here is a breakdown candle and RSI is below 50. So we will take an entry here. We will set stop loss at super trend and try to achieve at least 1:1 ratio target. Let's take another example. On 10th December in Bank Nifty, we got a buy signal. Here is the trendline breakout with the formation of low and higher low. This is the breakout candle. As per our second rule, breakout candle should be closed above the 50 MA. So here is the breakout candle closed above the 50 MA. Let's go for the third rule. RSI should be above 50. So here breakout candle's RSI is above 50. So we will take an entry here. We will set stop loss at super trend and try to achieve at least 1:1 ratio target. If you enjoying this video, hit the like and subscribe button. It motivates us to make more informative videos. Let's see more examples on this strategy. If you have any doubts regarding this strategy, then please comment down below. We will guide you.